Hello everyone, welcome to the Happylish YouTube channel. A poor man gave food to a rock. One day, the rock talked back. What did the rock say? And what happened next? This is the story of kindness, gold, and one big mistake. Let's begin. Long ago, two families lived near a mountain. One family was poor. The other family was rich. The poor man went to the forest every day. He collected firewood to sell for food and clothes. In the forest, there was a big rock. The rock looked like a lion. Every day, the poor man gave some barley and butter to the rock. He said, "Please eat, brother lion." Many days passed. One day, the rock spoke. It said, "Thank you, friend. You are a good man." The poor man was surprised. He said, "You have no one to feed you. I gave you a little food. I am poor too." The rock said, "You are honest. Come tomorrow morning. I will give you something." The next morning, the poor man went to the rock. The rock said, "There is gold inside me. You can take some, but stop before the sun rises. When the sun rises, my mouth will close." The man put his hand inside the rock. He took some gold and filled his small bag. "This is enough for me," he said. He thanked the rock and went home. Now the poor man had money. He built a new house and bought good clothes. His rich neighbors saw this and became jealous. The rich man asked, "How did you get rich?" The poor man told him about the rock lion. The next day, the rich man wore old clothes and went to the forest. He gave food to the rock every day. After some time, the rock spoke to him too. The rock said, "Come tomorrow, take gold, but stop before sunrise." The rich man went with a big bag. He took a lot of gold. But when the sun rose, he still wanted more. He did not stop. Suddenly, the rock's mouth closed on his arm. He shouted, but it was too late. He lost everything. So, my friends, the lesson is clear. Be honest and kind. Don't be greedy. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to like the video. To help you learn even more English, I've put together a list of the vocabulary from this story that might be new for you. You can find this list with the meanings in the video description. Make sure to take a look. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to like the video. How did you feel about the story? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe to Happylish for more English stories for beginners. Every story helps you improve your listening, reading, and vocabulary in a fun way. So keep watching, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next story. Bye-bye.